Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to guided access not working on iPhone in iOS 16.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn off guided access, restart your iPhone and turn on back. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap accessibility. Scroll down, tap guided access. Turn off guided access. Then go back setting page. Tap general. On the general page, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Go back setting page. Tap accessibility. Scroll down, tap guided access. Turn on guided access. Solution number 2. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.